Alright, what's up? Much earlier stream today because I don't have much time. I'm actually catching a flight later today. So I'm trying to get this stream in really quickly so I can keep my streak up, coding every day. I'm gonna do probably 2-3 lead code problems. Honestly, probably not a whole lot of functionality. An actual data, like the actual project that I'm working on, just because I don't have much time. So stop complaining about not having time and just get into it. Probably just gonna continue on with the trees. We'll go with an easy and a medium, and then pick one other one. So a stack problem. Okay. Given a binary tree, return true if it is height balanced and false otherwise. A height balanced binary tree is defined as a binary tree in which the left and right subtrees of each node differ in height by no more than 1. Okay. So fields DFSE. So again, maybe like as it goes down, we're just checking like we make a DFS that like returns a bool or something, and then we could return the height at every node, but that's pretty expensive. I'm thinking there must be a way to like bubble up. Or do we have to keep track of the height? Do we have to keep track of height? I feel like we might have to. Sorry. Family member just asked me a question. Where was I? Also, I forgot to say, for some reason, one of these videos got 200 views. I don't know what I'm doing in these problems. I'm very bad at lead code. My skill set in terms of coding is building stuff. These problems, I'm so bad at. So there's my one disclaimer, because there are too many people watched my last video, or like a different stream. Okay. I'm just trying to think, like, I know in a lot of these, it always seems like you need to keep track of height, so I'm really trying to see a way if there's not keeping track of height. But I don't know if there's a better way than just not keeping track of height. Because that's expensive, but it would work. It was just DFSing and finding every height. I'm gonna try it first of just doing the DFS with the height computation at everyone. I'm not too sure of another way to do it. So. Wait. Oh, wait. No, this was the same issue I was falling into the other time. Calculating the heights of the left and right subtrees, we also check if the tree is rooted at the current node is balanced. What? So balanced tree just means like one would be balanced, but this one wouldn't be. I think. Use the depth first search algorithm to compute the heights. While calculating the heights of the left and right subtrees, we can also check if the tree rooted at the current node is balanced. Wait, so is it kind of what I was doing? Why does it have to be left minus right, though? Okay, so I'm really close, actually. The only thing I don't understand is why he's returning like this like tuple thing. I guess because we have to like bubble up what the current value is. So why is he not just checking if they're not equal? Because they can differ by no more than one. Wow. Okay, what am I doing wrong? I really thought I had it. I don't know. I don't really have time today either, so let's just see what's wrong. Oh. That's stupid. It's because I looked at this too. Okay. I'm not even that mad at that. I kind of had the right idea. So with more practice, I'll be fine. Alright, now what the fuck is this? You're given the root of a binary tree. Return only the values of the nodes that are visible from the right side of the tree. Wait, like far right? Because why would this not just be traversing straight down the right side? Am I stupid? What am I missing? Okay, this might be like really stupid, but okay, so it wasn't that simple. Oh, because if there's only a left, it would shine through. Okay. So it's not as simple as I thought. I really thought it was that simple. So it's pretty much just trying to find another way of framing this is like, find all values of the edges with priority of right edge. So it's something like if we had a fifth node here, we'd do 1, 3, and then it would come down to 5. So, BFS? Question mark? BFS or is it like level order traversal, but we always keep track of the farthest right one? I don't know how you would really do that. How would you do that? So let's write it down. In the level order traversal, I know you like append do you append the rightmost value last? Because if that's true, then that would help us a lot. This is also good because I completely forget how to do a level order traversal. How do you BFS again? How do I always forget this, dude? I've gotten good at DFS. Somehow in 6 days, I do not remember how to BFS. I don't think it's while Q. It's while the different condition. But I quite forget it. Is it just while occur? I don't care. I don't have time to try to remember. I just want to look at the very basic. It is while Q. What am I even doing? I'm tripping out. Do you keep track of a visited in this? Yeah. Where do you do the null check? If node not, okay, so I have that. Oh, do I have to do that outside of it too? No, I need to know how to do this, dude. 21 minutes for an easy and a medium. Let's effing go, baby. Let's effing go. But where do you do the null check? Whatever. Wait. I'm looking. It's DFS? Am I stupid? How do you DFS this? If the depth is the length of the resulting... Oh, so we're at that current depth level. But wouldn't that add both of them? I guess because we're DFSing the right first. Fuck, that's smart. Ah. That's so much smarter. Like on the first node, you would find the right side. Why is it on the first node, though? I guess because that's what you're appending. Damn, damn, damn. That's so simple, and it makes so much sense to me. The BFS still kind of doesn't make sense to me, actually. Because you're appending the left first. So, like, essentially in the next queue, you're, like, in a given node's neighbors, like, while the queue, the right side is none for each iteration because that's each level. And then we iterate over the whole thing, like the entire queue, which is the entire level. What does pop left do again? Is that... So no, it is just the 0th one. Then why would it not give the leftmost? Because we're appending the left first. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you're doing it on every fucking time. So the last node becomes the right side. I'm an idiot. Okay. Because it's not saying, in my mind, for some reason, I had if node and not right. Don't know why I had that, but okay, makes more sense. Told you I'm not good at this fucking shit. Okay. This is implementing a stack. So just design a stack. Okay. I feel like I'm cheating if I just use the push and pop stuff, but like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh, get min. like second lowest. Get min will always be called on non-empty stacks. See the issue now, I can't just have a second min. Oh, brother. So it needs to be O of one time, but how? Oh, someone's at my door. Okay, I'm back. Bum bum bum. Why was I looking at the hints? To maintain the prefix minimum element? I don't know what that means. What does it mean to have a prefix approach? I don't know if that helped me. Use an additional stack to maintain the prefix minimum element. Is it like how much? So the prefix would be like how much less? Or what? Should also pop from this extra stack, however, when pushing. I'm so confused. But why even keep this min stack thing? Okay, here's kind of what I was thinking, self.min. Oh, interesting. So if it's not a stack, then you just change it. You append 0. Append 0. Okay, because there's no difference. And then from there on, we're appending if there is a minimum. Then we're appending x. Okay, so like the difference. And when would it be negative? The element would be negative. Oh, because we're doing the check first. It makes sense, but I hate that I'm so stupid. So this is in terms of like a prefix thing. Or not prefix. This is a prefix. Oh, it's just like iteratively keeping the actual minimum stack. Because you just keep checking at the end. That's kind of smart. Yeah, that's a lot more intuitive than this answer. All good. Yeah, because you gotta keep track of the min. I like this one more. And so that is what I will do. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. Because this one's just easier. It's just like, I don't even need it. Dude, I need to practice typing, because I am missing every keystroke today. This is ridiculous. So slow, have to use hints, and I'm barely getting it done. But we're practicing regardless. Okay, what do I even want to do? I don't have much time. Could do like 15 minutes of stuff. But what did I even want to do? I know I wanted to write a test case. I just don't think I have time for front-end stuff. I guess, no, I could write. I'll write a test case, and then I'll just send the get of the data. Yeah. What do I want to do? Should make a test in which the all close flag for insert is true. Yeah. Wait, was Python for too long? Am I tripping? Oh, I just did it wrong. So what would I do here? I would just take, it's not daily items, it's location operations. What should I even name this test? I don't know. 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 Oh, I guess the test should be in the scraper. Okay. Oh, no, it's the database one that I want. Oh, yeah. So I just passed nothing into here. Because here we're just testing the insert, and then when we grab the daily items, let me just pull up. Do I need to make my own? I kind of forget. I do. Okay, I got 20 minutes. Okay. It's not the test I'm running. Hello? Cool. I mean, I expected that to work, but it's good to just have a test now, because now I can get rid of this to do. Okay, what did I want to do now? I think I wanted to... some basic front-end stuff, maybe? Which is really sad to go to front-end. It's always a sad time. So last time we made this pretty basic API endpoint. This is like the type of stuff it gives me. Real-time data of like the name, closed and all that type of stuff. So on our front end, we will be getting this data, and we need to figure out pretty much how to display it nicely to the user. Yeah, so we're done with this. Which means now we should just run quit. We should be in like low key. Do I make a new page? Because right now, blinding. So you get this like show and nothing type of thing because no data's here. But on here, do I want the operation hours to have their own page? Or do I just have it like always right under? Decisions. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. No, I'm kidding. What would be best? I think maybe I decide that a different day. I don't really have the time to integrate it into the. I do. I think I'm gonna make a tab. Regardless. Operation hours T6. I thought I was allowed to. Yeah. Okay. Oh god, I hate front end so much. This is actually gonna pain me. But I'm so strong, I'll figure it out. Okay, how do I want this? Well, I should first go to. Don't I have like a util data? Is that turn up the light? Dum bum bum. Or no, it would be in the general data actually. Okay. So I actually don't need to make anything new. But what I do need to do is change the model. Like, do I not have a types file? God, I haven't been in here in so long. Like, what type do I say the data comes from? Oh my god, I haven't looked at front end in like a week and it's been so lovely. So is this like the type of stuff that is coming back from my database? Is that the type of vibe I was? Or, no, I do have another endpoint for operation hours. But I also think I have it in the general data. Yeah. So I also have it on everything. Ooh, that's bad. thought I changed that. I'm pretty sure I did. But I just have to re-scrape it. Nope, still bad. Okay, well, something to figure out later. I'm not figuring that out right now, but I should note that somewhere. God damn it. Where is that? I'm in general data right now. I should put this in here. Oh my god. Daily items and none. Date is date. See, I know where this. Yeah, the date should be right here. Like what? Like I thought I fixed it. Bro. Alright, I'm getting egregiously sidetracked. Not egregiously. But anyways. I do need to write a... So this actually shouldn't be that bad. let's look, we do something like all items. I never need a user or anything for this page. But now that I'm thinking about it, like, if I have a separate API endpoint, like, is that even good? Or should I just always have it in the general? Like, should I even have this page fetch the general data that has... I think this is fine. Okay. So, let's see, what of this do we need? Do we need auth? No, what we do need is, need that, we need fetch. Let me just... Wait, how's it never red? What do you mean? It's quite literally right here. Huh? What am I doing wrong? Oh, okay. It's like this in Go, but of course. Why would it be like that in TypeScript as well? Because why can't my life be easy? else do I even need for this? Like, nothing. I'm just gonna make it really basic because it's already been an hour and I don't have much time. Yeah, dude, cook something up for me. They're just not gonna finish it. I'm just gonna trust it, because fuck it, why not? I need to hook it. It's not allowing the fetch because I'm fetching my own thing. Let's just... hit it with one of those. It already fetched it. Of course it is, because I'm trying to cache it. Goddamn my own self. Ay, ay, ay. So that's fine. But I'm setting it to nothing. Poor key. What you making? I'm making, it's called like anyfood.me. Pretty much, like I go to Northwestern and our Dine on Campus thing is so slow and it sucks. And I'm like kind of a picky eater. So I pretty much am trying to remake Dine on Campus using their like open, it's like kind of open source data. Like I can just hit the API endpoint and get all the food data. So I'm organizing it in a way that I like. So like, there's no food right now because it's break. But pretty much like I can go like if I want breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I can favorite foods and then they'll show up like in my favorites so I know where to go. And it's much faster is pretty much my whole goal. But right now I'm adding the operation hours. So like if something's closed when it opens, when it closes, so I can kind of tell that to the user. However, I'm kind of failing because I just got, or it should be 80, it is localhost 81.1. Yeah, so the fetch is right. The fetch is right, but I'm still getting nothing. Cool. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. What are you having issues on? Me being horrible at front end. So like I set up this API endpoint to get like the operation hours, and I'm hitting it fine. Like I set up this very basic page of just like I should be fetching the operation hours and then setting it. However, for some reason, because I haven't touched front end in like a week and a half while working on this, I should be like await and fetch, like fetch and store this under the operation hours is how this should work. So I'm hitting this fine. Like the actual fetch is fine, it's working. But then for some reason, I guess I should just console log the result. Just to like, also I'm gonna skip this for right now because I don't want to get these cache hits. Okay, so I'm getting the objects fine. To read the error, I did. But sadly, it's just that it's undefined. But so the response is fine. Oh, because this is the whole response. It's not. Yeah. Okay, this makes more sense. So I'm not sending it as like operation hours equals to that, which I should be in my backend. I should change that. API operation hours handler. The get. I should write it back in terms of yeah. Or I don't know. Well, what should I name this? Because I just want pretty much, I want this. So I'll just take it. It doesn't matter. I don't write that. Maybe I'll just call this labeled data. Now low-key, this should work. Come on, back in, please spin it. Unless, did you error? No? Are you trying to save the response to your database? No, it's saved to my database already. It's just hosting it on the endpoint. Oh, it's because it's operation hours. I keep swapping between two names for this thing, like operation hours and location operations or something like that. I need to, that's like a big thing to do, is I need to like make that universal, because that's been an error that I'm having for like multiple times, but regardless. Yeah, I already saved, like the backend's fully working and I have tests. I'm just making the basic front end for it, and then I actually have to call it a day because I have to go pack. So I'm leaving tonight. day.hours is null. Okay, different error. So we're getting we're getting it fine now, which is cool. What do you mean day.hours is null? Because each day should have hours. Like each week has a week. Oh, because hours is null. Ours just straight up is null. Okay, because it's getting set to it. Okay, so then here I just need to check. I'm subscribing. I want to see the end product. Dude, thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, man. How do I do this in this language again? Gotta go, but keep going. You got this. I appreciate your kind words, man. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so I think it's something like data.status not equal to closed. And then can I conditionally render this? Is pretty much my thought. No? I don't know how to do this stuff. How can some of my data comes in with the hours as null because the place is closed? So how can I change this? Can I copy this? Yeah. I just want to get a basic rendering up and then I'll stop. Ah, yeah. Okay. We're rendering something. It's not very nice. It's just I don't know. It doesn't need to be a nice rendering. I just want it better than this. Because this looks so awful. But regardless, hey, data setup. In this moment. Okay. Hey, it's something. And then I'll just need to change the text to be dark or white based on the rendering, which I should be able to grab from this. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? It's just Actually, this is a bad one. Bum, 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 bum. Do it in the style of this for now, just because I want it to be reactive to dark and white. I think I should also set up like a types folder, or like a types, yeah, like folder pages for it. As long as it has, a big thing that I want is, yeah, text black, dark, text white. That's pretty much all I want. Let's change. Wait. Nope. Accidentally copied something. Was it red? I guess because it's closed. Where are the names of the things now, though? How did we lose the name of each location, bro? What the fuck? No, it should be here. Is it because it's black and I can't see it? No, the location's just... Hmm? They all have a name. Oh. Ba, ba, ba. There we go. Got a basic thing up. And I think I will call it there. Actually, let me make sure it can still build. Looking good. All right. Oh yeah, I want to do one more thing, which is in my nav bar. I should add a label for operation hours. Cool. So basic front end was added, a database test was added. What did I change in the DB? What did I change here? Just add a string for the bug. Is that it? It looks like all I did. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, I can add that. Added the test. Yes, I did do that. Add the get ignore, modify the get ignore. Add the basic stuff to the front end. Seems good to me. Do commit -m. Add basic front end. Operation hours. Rendering. And add DB test backend. All right, that's going to end the stream for today. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.